How the testing is done differs depending on the age of the child. So first and foremost, we'll always look in the child's ear via otoscopy. We'll always do a middle ear test, which is called tympanometry, where the audiologist will put a probe into each ear. There'll be a very low frequency tone and air that gets put into the ear to give us a measurement of both the movement of the eardrum, the pressure in the middle ear, and also the size of the ear canal volume of the child. If the child is a baby, from 6 months generally, we do a test that's called visual reinforcement orientation audiometry, that we shorten to VROA. In this test, the child is conditioned to turn their head in response to a sound. When they do that, they get a visual reward, either a puppet or sometimes there can be a DVD playing a child's show. With this population, we generally try and get repeatable responses at 4 different frequencies. It's a very hard age group to test, and generally they don't tolerate headphones for ear-specific information, so we are really testing whatever the better ear is hearing. Once they become more preschool aged, we start to introduce a more conditioned response where they have to do something to get the visual reward. So, for example, they could try and, when they hear the sound, they can put a peg into a board, or the favourite thing I like to do is play snap with them. So as soon as they hear the sound, we'll see who can get the peg the fastest. Once they hit school age, they don't really need that visual reward anymore. So we just move to a purely play-based audiometry where when they hear the sound, they put the peg in the board or they clap, or you can still play snap with them. And then after that, it just becomes an adult hearing test.